unit of life. What is cell? From minute mosses to huge modified invisible bacteria to huge blue whales, all have basic unit of called cell. Let us study about cell. Before the fast microscope was invented around 350 years ago, people were not aware of living world that was not visible to the unnaked eye. Thereafter, many scientists were observing and describing unknown worlds with the help of microscopes. Among them, most important scientists mentioned are Kircher and his microscope, John Swammerdam and his microscope, Van Leeuwenhoek and his microscope, Robert Hooke and his microscope. Let's discuss about cell components. Membrane. The cell membrane or plasma membrane is a biological membrane that surrounds the cytoplasm of a cell. In animals, the plasma membrane is the outer boundary of cell, while in plants and prokaryotes it is usually covered by a cell wall. Number 2. Nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains genetic material of eukaryotic organisms. As such, it serves to maintain the integrity of the cell by facilitating transcription and replication process. It is the largest organelle inside the cell, taking up about a tenth of the entire cell volume. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salts, and proteins. In eukaryotic cells, the cytoplasm includes all the material inside the cell and outside of the nucleus. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and do like, share and comment about my explanation. Thanks for watching.